Assalamu alaikum students of grade 3. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. I am your social studies teacher Miss Asma, and today we are going to complete our reading of unit number 4, rubbish and recycling. Okay, so let's start. Don't be a litter bug. Many things today, such as drink cans or plastic bags, are made to be disposable. This means they are made to be thrown away. Disposable means they are made to be thrown away, but we do not have to. So instead of throwing our rubbish away, we can reduce it, reuse it, or recycle it. And here's how. First of all, reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are the most important terms, and we should apply these terms. Okay, so number one is reduce. Reduce means having less rubbish in the first place. Here are some ways to reduce your rubbish. Number one, buy only what you really need. Number two, buy things that will last a long time and can be repaired. Number three, buy things that have little or no packaging. Number four, share things you don't use very often with someone else. And number five, buy things that can be reused in some way. So and as you also can see here, love the earth, recycle, reuse, and reduce. So this is a posture of recycling, reducing, and reusing. Right, now move to next page. Reuse. Now what is reuse? Reuse means finding other ways of using things instead of throwing them away. ठीक है, reduce का meaning क्या है? reduce means having less rubbish in the first place. यानी कि हमें जो चीज़ चाहिए हम वही ख़रीदें, या हम कोशिश करें कि हम कोई ऐसी चीज़ लें जिसकी पैकेजिंग जो है वो ज़्यादा ना हो. ठीक है, एंड वी शुड शेयर थिंग्स वी डोंट यूज़ वेरी ऑफन विद समवन एल्स, एंड वी शुड buy only what you really need. And reuse means finding other ways of using things instead of throwing them away. Here are some things you could do. Sell or give away things you no longer want. Swap things you no longer want for something you do want. Try this with your friends. Make new things out of old things. Use old plastic containers to store things. Use writing paper on both sides. Don't use plastic bags when you go shopping. Use a cloth bag that can be used many times. So here are the some ways that you can reuse anything, right? Okay, so the third term is recycle. Recycle means to use something that has already been made and used and make it into something else. In this way, it can be used again. Recycle means to use something that has already been used, be made and used and make it into something else. ठीक है, रिसाइकल का मतलब क्या है? रिसाइकल का मतलब है कि किसी ऐसी चीज़ को यूज़ करना जो पहले बन चुकी है और यूज़ भी हो चुकी है, बट मेक इट इनटू समथिंग एल्स. इन दिस वे इट कम्स टू बी यूज्ड अगेन. Here are some things you can do. Buy things that have been made from recycled materials, and buy goods in containers that can be recycled, such as glass, bottles, or tin cans. Sort your rubbish and keep the things that can be recycled separately. Give them to the people who collect them and then recycle it. Okay, now here is a process that how cans are recycled. So this is how old cans are made into new cans. This is a whole process of recycling. रिसाइकल का मतलब क्या होता है कि कोई ऐसी चीज़ जिसको हम दोबारा से ठीक करके न्यू बना के उसको दोबारा यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि दिस इज़ अ कंप्लीट प्रोसेस दैट हाउ ओल्ड कैंस आर मेड इनटू न्यू कैंस, राइट. तो द कैंस आर कलेक्टेड इन दिस basket. Then the cans are squashed, they are put into big bales. Squashed का मतलब होता है उनको क्रश कर देना. अब फिर cans जो है यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, क्रश हो गए हैं. Then the cans are cut up into little pieces, right. Then the pieces are melted in a hot oven. The next step is The melted metal is poured into a mold to bake to make bars. Okay, the melted metal is poured into a mold to make bars. The bars are rolled flat, right? And the flat sheets are made into cans. अब ये flat sheets जो है ये क्या बन जाएंगी, ये cans बन जाएंगी. और इस तरह can जो है वो recycle होता है. पुराने cans को recycle करके हम new cans कैसे बनाते हैं, इस तरह बनाते हैं. ओके, दिस इज़ द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ रिसाइकलिंग. The next topic is recycling plastic. Plastic can be turned into many things. A factory in Lahore turns plastic into a material that looks like wood, and they make outdoor seats from it. Okay, as you can see here, a seat made from recycled plastic, and there is a factory in Lahore which can turn a plastic into that material which looks like wood, but that is actually a plastic. Okay, now this is a summary about the whole chapter. That litter, what is litter? Litter is anything that is left lying in open spaces, and litter looks messy and can make us ill. Okay, number 3, rubbish is anything we no longer need or want. And number 4, to reduce rubbish means to make less of it. Number 5, to reuse rubbish means to use it again in some way. And number 6, to recycle rubbish means to make it into something new. अब reduce, reuse और recycle का मतलब आपको समझ आ गया है. recycle का मतलब क्या होता है कि recycle means to make it into something new. कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो ख़राब हो गई है आप उसको दोबारा से ठीक करके न्यू करके दोबारा उसको यूज़ कर रहे हो. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने पीछे रिसाइकलिंग का प्रोसेस देखा था टिन कैंस में. रीयूज़ का मतलब क्या होता है, रीयूज़ मीन्स रीयूज़ रबिश मीन्स टू यूज़ इट अगेन इन सम वे. कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो आपके पास है लेकिन अब आप उसको यूज़ नहीं कर रहे, तो अगर कोई आप उसको यूज़ नहीं कर रहे तो कोई मसला नहीं है, आप उसको किसी ऐसी जगह पे यूज़ करो जहाँ पे उसकी ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, रीयूज़ रबिश मीन्स टू यूज़ इट अगेन इन सम वे, उसको दोबारा यूज़ करना. किसी और, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम आइसक्रीम, हम 7 अप की बॉटल लेके आते हैं. ठीक है, अब हम वो पी लेते हैं, अब हमारे पास प्लास्टिक बॉटल जो है वो रह जाती है, हम उसको उसके अंदर वाटर डाल के उसको फ्रिज में सेव कर लेते हैं, हम उस बॉटल को रीयूज़ कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. और थर्ड है रिड्यूस. रिड्यूस रबिश मीन्स टू मेक लेस ऑफ इट, यानी कि हमें ज़्यादा वो चीज़ें लेनी नहीं चाहिए, ज़्यादा वो चीज़ें बनानी चाहिए जिससे रबिश हो. वी शुड मेक लेस ऑफ इट, राइट. सो टू रिड्यूस रबिश मीन्स टू मेक लेस ऑफ इट. टू रीयूज रबिश मीन्स टू यूज इट अगेन इन सम वे, एंड टू रिसाइकल रबिश मीन्स टू मेक इट इनटू समथिंग न्यू. इफ वी रिड्यूस, रीयूज एंड रिसाइकल आवर रबिश, it will reduce waste, right? So this is your today's reading. I hope you understand. You have to read it. Thank you.